Took a very long time to make, and she was eventually arrested and charged with criminal property.
Yes, that's my car, and luckily I got it recorded with a dash cam. It makes it easier to explain to the police and my insurance company. That was from my old dash cam, and I recently upgraded to a new dash cam from Dahua. Having a dash cam is essential nowadays. You never know what could happen on the road. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Tech episode 125. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we are looking at the Dahua S8 dash cam. It offers up to 4K resolution recording, dual channel recordings, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and a G sensor that supports collision detection with video log. Who is Dahua? Dahua Technology is a global leader in video surveillance and security solutions based in China. They produce advanced cameras and smart security solutions, so they know their stuff when it comes to cameras and security. Let's move on to the Dahua S8 dashcam. The dashcam features a large 3-inch IPS touchscreen, support up to 128GB micro SD card, and a tiltable 123-degree wide lens that records on a large 1/2.9-inch CMOS sensor. It can capture up to 4K resolution in single channel mode and 2K in dual channel mode. It also has a built-in speakers and microphone for recording audio inside the cabin, which you can disable if you want privacy. Let's get to the good part and check out the dashcam recording quality. The front camera's HDR capabilities and night vision perform impressively, capturing sufficient details and clear text readability. It will also offer better zoom clarity with 4K resolution. The Dahua S8 includes rear recording, which is equally important as the front recording. However, it only records in Full HD, delivering good readability with bright visual. The Dahua S8 supports mobile apps that lets you preview and download footages. It also allows you to manage the dashcam settings and handle firmware updates when it's available. Previewing the footage on the apps not only displays coordinations and speed data, but also includes map overlay for easier viewing, which is a feature that's not offered by others brands. The Dahua S8 dashcam is available now in online stores and through Dahua authorized offline stores near you. You can go there and check them out. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.